We're given a point and a slope, and we want to find the slope-intercept form of the equation of the line. So let's start by using the point-slope form, y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. And that way we can substitute negative 5, 1.8 in for x1, y1, and we can substitute 5 in for m. And that will give us y minus 1.8 equals 5 times the quantity x minus negative 5.1. And we're going to simplify that. We have y minus 1.8 equals 5 times the quantity x plus 5.1. So y minus 1.8 equals, let's distribute the 5, and we get 5x plus 25.5. And then let's add 1.8 to both sides. So we have y equals 5x plus